Welcome to the Zepl tutorial, How to Add a Data Source. We're going to add an S3 data source in order to grab data from a bucket and use it in a notebook. We'll provide a set of user credentials, which we will securely store in our keychain. If you want to follow along and use this sample dataset, you can find these credentials in the notes of this YouTube video below. First, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click Resources. Then click the Data Sources button. In addition to using our pre-built data sources, you can also attach any data source using an API. We will select Amazon S3. Let's call it Titanic_data. Then we will need to use the proper bucket name, the proper access key, and the proper secret access key. You'll notice that when you type in your credentials, they are automatically encrypted, so you never have to worry about exposing your plain text credentials in a notebook again. As far as the token session, make sure you press the space button, remove the value, then click Add. Now, let's add this to a notebook. I'm going to open my Titanic notebook. On the right-hand side of the screen, I'm going to click the Data Sources icon. Then I will click Add Titanic Data. And now we're done. The data source is now available as a repeatable asset that you can easily add to any of your Zepl notebooks.